The moment you decide to dive into trading, you're immediately overwhelmed by a flood of information, advice, and others people's opinions. Trust me, I know that feeling. Maybe you've asked yourself, who can I trust? How do I even start if I have no experience? And most importantly, is this even realistic for me? My answer is, yes it is. And if you're still unsure, let me show you the way. My name is Nathan. I've been a trader for 8 years and I'm also the developer of an AI bot that analyzes the market and helps make decisions without stress or guesswork. And I'm here to tell you, getting started is faster than you think, especially when there is a system that already works. After years of practice, I realized how important it is to follow a clear structure. That's why I built a tool that makes analysis understandable even for those who are completely new to trading. And that's exactly why I'm inviting you to join my community. No catch, no obligations, just real practice and my personal support. Now I want to show you exactly how my AI bot helps community members analyze market situations and make decisions. You will see that it is all possible, even if you've never traded before. This isn't just theory. Together, we'll look at how to start using technology to build your own analysis system and take your first steps with confidence. The day of thinking this is too complicated are behind you. Now, real opportunities are opening up. Click the link in the pinned comment, join the community and start exploring the bot that's already helping so many others. Take that first step and see where it leads. Let's begin. Everything's already set up on my platform, so let's get started. My AI bot has already selected the pairs we'll be working with. I won't be using any indicators today. My smart assistant will handle all the analysis. Alright, everything's ready, no point in waiting. Let's go. Right now, my AI bot suggests going down. Alright, if you say so. The price has approached the resistance level at 0.65, a round number that often acts as a strong level. I'm expecting a pullback and continued movement downward. Let's keep going. The assistant is analyzing the next notification. The goal is to go up. Alright, let's look at the setup. The price has touched this level a few times and now it's broken through and is holding above it. We're expecting the uptrend to continue. Let's watch. Good. The price is moving up, right in line with the assistant's analysis. Let's keep watching. So, what do you think of what you just saw? This tool isn't just a click to analyze bottom. It is a personal assistant, processing in seconds what would you take hours. Our 8 years of trading, I've learned something important. Knowledge alone isn't enough. Today, the edge goes to those who have a tool that can process data quickly and deliver a clear picture. No guessing, no rushing, no emotional noise. That's exactly why I created a bot that can think alongside me and even faster. My team and I spent nearly a year perfecting every function and testing every detail. And now I have something that truly works. It helps make well-informed decisions without overloading you and your brain and wasting your time. And the good news is that you can start using it too, starting today. I've opened free access to the bot inside my community. You won't be on your own there. I'll personally walk you through how to use it, what to focus on, and how to get the most out of every trading session. But here's the catch. I personally work with every new member, so access is limited. If you're seeing this, it means the opportunity is still open. Click the link in the pinned comment, and now to secure your spot. And let's keep moving because the important part is still ahead. Let's see what the bot says for the next pair. Up again. Alright. After a drop, price touched the support level but didn't break it. Buyers pushed the price upward, shifting the trend to bullish. We're seeing a slight slowdown, so I go up from that level. It's interesting to see how the assistant helps with the analysis. The uptrend continues. Let's move on. The AI bot once again says to go up. Alright, as I mentioned, the price paused a bit around the level. Now it's climbing again. We're expecting another attempt to break through the resistance. It's still a bit away. Well, let's see. Nice. Let's check out the next pair. Now the bot signals to move down. Okay, let's do that. Looking at the chart, after breaking the level, the price didn't continue upward. Instead, it moved sideways. That usually means sellers are back in control and the price is likely to return below the level. Alright, we're watching. Alright, stay focused. Our bot is still working. So, the AI bot says to go up. We're seeing strong upward movement, so it makes sense to join the move. I think everything will be fine. Great! My assistant helped us spot the changes and pointed us in the right direction. So, my assistant is saying to move upward. I see that the price paused at the level and then broke through it. We expect the upward movement to continue after the breakout. Although there was a slight delay, the market reacted as expected since the level turned out to be strong, and the upward trend is likely to continue. Today, my AI assistant showed just how helpful it can be in decision making. Use technology, my friends, and stay up to date with the latest trends. Remember how it all started? We saw firsthand how my tool works, how it helps break down complex information and highlights what really matters. But let's be honest, technology is awesome, but the real breakthrough comes when you have someone by your side. Someone who's already walked this path and can guide you through every step. I didn't just build a tool, I personally teach community members every day so they don't have to rely on guesswork. They act with clarity and confidence. Because it's not just about understanding what's going on, it's about being able to tell yourself, this is why I'm making this decision. This is why it matters. Here's what comes next. Inside my community, you will get access to my tool that actually simplifies market analysis, ongoing personal support from me. I'm here to explain and guide. Live case study breakdowns so you can see how to apply strategies in real time. And most importantly, a group of people who are learning, growing, and moving forward together. I know how hard it is to start on your own. That's why we take it one step at a time. No overwhelm, no empty promises, just real actions, a clear path. And right now, you can still join for free, but I work with each person individually, so spots are limited. If you're serious about leveling up your skills, click the link in the pinned comment right now. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. This is it. And it might be the smartest decisions you make today. See you inside the community. Talk soon. Bye.